Hello, South Africa. I'm greeting you. My name, I'm known by Jabula, while my boy name is Abram. The way ngiyanibulisa everywhere la nikhona bantu abasekhaya. To all those to my friends. I'm here South Africa to speak about myself, about my emotion, about I've been taken care. I'm here to say something, and I am here to think. Isingene endabeni. Let me get into the news, my darling. I'm here. I'm speaking about to the channel Calling Mochalaf. I've been there maybe 8 years back. And bangiphethe kahle. Yes, somewhere there is consequences, but we end up fixing it. Even though when we need a meeting, they do accept us. Mochalaf. Yes, sometimes ungakwata because of producers ukungazwani. Yes, ukukhona lokho, but mina ukukhuluma iqiniso by my side ithi ngithi ingiphethe kahle, and I've been say I'm here to thank. I'm thanking it. I'm thanking it. Especially it helped me about like in these years, in these 10 years, my power is about Mochalaf. Yes, it's my 10 years. So I won't say anything, South Africa. I'm just saying good night everywhere. I was here. I was here about thinking Mochalaf. Yes, I'm famous Dapola about it. You know. You love me. I love you. Thank you, South Africa. That's what I want to say. Thank you.
Good morning zithandwa. Nimbonela uDabula uvelile ngithi uyenzile ivideo yakhe. Uthi yena uphatheke kamnandi. Uthi yena futhi akana insolo dala sebenza neMochalaf imiyenze aba famous. And futhi uyabathanda abalandeli bakhe. And uyabonga ngendlela bamsupporta ngayo. So mina guys, mina ngicabani noDabula. But loku anitshela kona ngizonitshela amanga. Yes, ukuba famous and uyenziwe yiyo iMochalaf. Nami ngifamous lamhla because of iMochalaf. But iqiniso lisekutheni basiphatha kahle na. Cause umuntu ophatheka kahle guys uyambona. Usmart, uclean, uyaglowa, uhappy, neskin mele size sibonise ukuthi udla kamnandi loyo muntu. Ake nithatheni thina ama-talent nisirhemise la, nirhemise nama-producer nama-cameraman, then nizobona ukuthi bobani abadla kamnandi. uDabula mina ngi-understand ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Yabona ukuthi si-famous angimphikisi. hayi angimphikisa umntwana abantu vele si-famous and senziwe yi-Moja Love, but why sibukeka ngendlela esibukeke ngayo? Nina nisibona si-happy or nimbona happy nina ajabulile? Especially ya ku-video ngathi bebambeke i-choke ukuthi yey bulela so. Guys, mina ngizwisa ubuhlungu le video leyana, angifuni ucamba amanga, ngizwisa ubuhlungu and ngisazomlwela naye. Yazi why? Ngoba ngiyamthanda uDabula umngane wami, akasangenza into embi, so nami
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. This is Dabula from Moja Love channel 157 Umndeni. Ukhuluma ngalendaba yokuthi now everyone is exposing Moja Love and yena he's saying ukuthi Moja Love yena imphethe kahle. Yebo bewaba khona ama challenges here and there, but it doesn't mean ukuthi sekufanele abakhulume kabi. Uthi yena kuye into the right akayiboni nje inkinga, and people believe ukuthi uMoja Love usebenzisa uDabula ukuthi ahlobise igama labo. Siyambona like has drunk like a fish, utsakiwe ubudlile, problem umthengele nje tshwala bo obritaw ukuthi ayibo wena khuluma kahle ngathi because onke ma-colleague akhe akhulume kabi ngeMoja Love, asho ukuthi vele bebahlukubeda beba-exploiter bayi-exposile, and yena he's the only person lothi yena akakuboni lokube ngoMoja Love. Lokushiye mngane wakhe manhlala entabeni washo ukuthi vele Dabula it's not easy for yena ukuthi akhulume because akanayo ngisho ne-ID uyadi ukuthi akukho labantu umqasha khona. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.